Yeah, very good evening to everyone. We just had a COVID review meeting, and the following decisions were taken. Number one, that they will, those who are double vaccinated will not require the RT-PCR test anymore. So if you're double vaccinated, you can enter the state. So we'll be lifting the condition of testing for double vaccinated individuals. Number two, night curfew will be lifted. Number three, schools will be fully functional from Monday onwards, that is class 1 to 5 in Shillong especially. Number six, this is already in fact has been decided, but I just want to reiterate that for funerals, no permissions will be required, but COVID protocols need to be followed, and obviously there has to be restrictions on the number of people. For large gatherings and public meetings and weddings, we have, so basically permissions are being granted for this also. It was done a few weeks back. I'm just reiterating it, that all of these will be allowed, and only permission from the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO will be required, and even the numbers will be decided by the Deputy Commissioner and the SDO based on the venue where the programs will take place. This also includes processions as well. We also like to reiterate that in bars, restaurants, and movie theaters, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong, and yeah, so those are the decisions that were made today.